In this video, we will discuss the triple rebound strategy. This strategy is applicable for fixed time and Forex trading. It is effective for 1+ minute time frames. The strategy is based on 3 different versions of RSI indicator, with periods of 7, 14, and 21. To open a down trade, wait for 2 RSI lines to leave the overbought zone and cross the 70 level. Conversely, to open an up trade, wait for 2 RSI lines to leave the oversold zone and cross the 30 level. Let's try our strategy in practice. In this example, we will open a chart for Australian dollar-US dollar currency pair in fixed time mode and set chart time frame to 1 minute. Let's now switch to the indicators section and select the Trading Strategies tab. We will use the triple rebound strategy. 3 RSI indicators have appeared below the price chart. The required settings are applied automatically. To open a down trade, we wait for 2 signals. RSI 21 approaches the overbought level of 70. The lines of RSI indicators 7 and 14 leave the overbought zone and cross level 70 downwards. Open a 2 to 5 minute trade. Our forecast was correct. To open an up trade, we need to wait for 2 signals. RSI 21 approaches the oversold level of 30. The lines of RSI indicators 7 and 14 leave the oversold zone and cross level 30 upwards. Open a 3 to 5 minutes trade. Our forecast was correct. Use stop loss and take profit orders when trading with the triple rebound strategy in Forex mode to adjust your trades more accurately. We recommend that the stop loss is set to 50% of the trade amount, while the take profit is set to 150% of the trade amount. Trade on the Olymp Trade platform using strategies to get maximum results.